Hola clase, get ready to take some notes, saquen sus apuntes, and get ready to write down. We're talking about the present progressive verb tense today, also known as the el presente del progresivo, or as the book calls it, el presente continuo. Ready? Here we go. So the present progressive, or the el presente continuo, is talking about happening that actions are happening right now. In English, we use an ing word. That's known as a gerund, or a gerundio in Spanish. So, like, I talk means, it's present tense. I am talking is the ing, present progressive. So we're going to learn how to do that in Espanol. It's pretty darned easy. You need two words. First of all, you need a form of a star. If you need a refresher on your forms of a star, here they are. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. Make sure you get the accent marks on these bottom four forms correct. So you got a form of a star and then your gerund, your ing word. You can, if it's an AR verb, they're pretty easy to make if they're AR, ER, IR. AR, you take off the AR and add ando. Lavar, to wash, becomes lavando, washing. Hablar becomes hablando. Nice. ER and IR verbs do the same thing. They both take off the ER or IR ending and add IENDO, yendo. So hacer becomes haciendo, sacudir becomes sacudiendo. ¿Vale? Unfortunately, there are a few irregulars that will have to be memorized. They're not too terribly bad. So most stem changers, many stem changers, and maybe not most, but many stem changers have a weird form in the middle. So if you remember decir, to say or to tell, it's an E to I stem changer. It changes to diciendo instead of diciendo. These have to be memorized. It may be worth your time. It probably is worth your time to spend time memorizing them. Make flashcards, practicing them until you get them. I'm sure you will see these on test quizzes. Mentir means to lie. Mentir means to tell a lie. Mentir is E to I stem changer, so it becomes mintiendo. Mentir, miento? No, it's an E to I stem changer, but it still becomes an I in the gerund. Pedir, to order or to ask for, is E to I stem changer, which becomes pidiendo. Preferir, E to I stem changer in the present tense, becomes an I right here in prefiriendo in the gerund. Sentir, to regret, it becomes sintiendo. It's lo siento. It's an E to I in present, E to I in the gerund. Servir, to serve, is an E to I stem changer. Sirvo, sirve becomes sirviendo, serving. Then two of our ODUE verbs become ODUs in the gerund. Dormir, to sleep, becomes durmiendo, sleeping. Morir, to die, becomes muriendo, dying. Let's try these again. Saying or telling is casi diciendo. Lying is mintiendo. Ordering or asking for is pidiendo. Preferring is prefiriendo. Regretting is sintiendo. Serving is sirviendo. Sleeping is durmiendo. And dying is muriendo. Okay. So Spanish doesn't like three vowels in a row. When you're going to have three vowels in a row in the middle of the word, change the middle letter to a Y. So take a look. Here's how the book explains it. When the stem of an ER or IR verb ends in a vowel, the letter yendo becomes yendo. So look at creer. If you took off the ER ending, it'd be CRE. And then you add IENDO. CREIENDO is awkward. So the I becomes a Y. Clase creyendo. You see how that's pretty easy to pronounce versus creyendo? Another is leyendo, does that. And then oír, which is to hear, becomes oyendo, hearing. Questions on that? All right. Ciao, clase.